Yes, greetings. La chose s'appelle Chill Meeting. Deuxième édition, tu connais la formule, on est là entre potes. Awax, Eurosia. Et comme je te l'ai dit, c'est que la deuxième. Mais on a déjà un invité de renom. À qui l'on doit les jeudis Yardi. À qui l'on doit les Breaking News Mixtape. J'ai nommé le Big Bad King Roula. Monsieur Willy Bounce. Ayoros dans la place. On est là tranquillement, on va venir donner des vibes. Jouer des tunes tranquillement. Et c'est Monsieur Bounce qui va jouer ça. So si t'es ready, tous les chillers, toutes les chilleuses, play it!
Hey, what's the story? Is it for real now? Tell me, did they really legalize the weed now? Is it still an offense to plant a tree now? Oh, I just really want to get some clarity now. So tell me what's the story? Oh, is it free now? I'm not really gonna split for DC now. Tell me, can I light up on before I DC now? What's gonna happen if them
Okay.
leave? Now you know them label and them stereotype and stigmatize. Them love to criticize and they marginalize.
Yep, passif. King Roula prend le contrôle de platine. On est bienvenue dans le Chill Meeting. Ok. On en place une spéciale pour Awaxon, Eurosia pour l'invitation. Enough respect, you see. Ok, si t'es pas au courant, le truc s'appelle Chill Meeting. Chill Meeting. Le concept c'est on va passer du son et non chill, you see. Et toi t'es chez toi, t'écoutes le son et tu chill.
Oh no. When you think me lose, you ensure that me win. You prescribe poison, but Jah is my medicine, so you can't take away from me.
Alright.
Take away. You take away the
Faut pas oublier que la mission première des Sound System c'est quand même de faire découvrir des artistes, you see me. L'homme s'appelle Deep Jahai. Big up community artist.
You can't take away my glory. All when the fans act like say them no know me selector now. Play me tune, me no worry.
No worry.
Yeah, the art of my story. Try beat me down about 1,000 times. Negativity can't hold me down no time. All if me no over the line and the bank account. Jah ensure I'm fine. So when you think me lose, Jah ensure say me win.
Tu peux pas l'esquiver.
So much Jah is my medicine.
Il garde un œil sur toi.
You can't take Jah away from me.
Take away.
You take away the joy, the fight and despair. Walk out of my life, act like say you no care. But you can't take Jah away from me. Take Jah away. If me never name the joy, enough would not be my friend. Just show me the sign when the enemies pretend. And the pretty little damsels, I look out for them.
Ok, Chill Meeting.
Angels aren't from heaven. I never.
Je te fais juste un petit bilan de ce qui va se passer dans les minutes qui viennent.
Even when my burden seems the
On va tous prendre les platines, chacun notre tour.
high.
3-4 tunes, tu passes la main.
And don't ever let them tell you that word is win. Pray to Jah and He will.
Tour de passe.
I'm on my knees with prayer. Oh,
Deep Jahai, me say.
me lose Jah ensure say me win. You prescribe
IQ.
poison, but Jah is my medicine, so you can't take Jah away from me.
Yes, Ayoros.
Jah away.
King Roula dans la place.
When the Jah
Chill Meeting.
and despair walk up.
Deuxième édition.
Walk like say you no care, but you can't take Jah away. Take Jah away. Oh.
Et on te l'a dit, c'est Strictly Vibes. On commence easy. Le prochain tu le connais déjà. L'homme s'appelle Monsieur Romain Virgo. we start it.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, ooh.
Real Vice.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Wherever I'll be, cross the 7 seas, you're always on my mind. Distance don't change a thing. Many said we aren't meant to be, like flames in the ocean, dying in the motion. But look at us now, look what we found. We're soaring high, way off the ground. You gave me wings, now I can fly, bursting through the clouds. We're shooting high, like the star across
Yes, Virgo.
like the star across the sky.
Nice and easy. On commence comme ça.
I'm in the middle of this bed, these thoughts in my head. Wish you were on both sides. Every turn I see those eyes. Whoa.
On se met en place tranquillement.
Time when I think
On
about
va continuer comme ça. Le prochain, tu le connais aussi. L'homme se nomme Scaramucci.
To all my joyful souls, as we come together, this is how we do.
Brand new.
Oh, na, 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 na. Raise your voices. Sta, da, 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 da. Above the mountains, way up to the sky.
It's all about positivity.
Sta, ba, da, sta, sta, da, 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 da. As we dance in happiness. Sta, da, da, sta, sta, da, 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 da. No words to explain. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Sta, da, da, sta, sta, da, 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 da. I can see you smiling. Well, I've been smiling since I woke up, full of joy. And I thought I'm so happy like a little boy. You could see my smile like a mile away. I feel the spirit inside of me. Oh, that love that sets me free. And I've been singing joyfully all the day. Everybody sing along. Oh, what a joy. Oh, na na. I can hear your voices.
Bon, ok. Ça se réveille doucement hein, dans l'assistance.
Just won't give up. No way. I've got joy inside of me.
L'homme Scaramucci. Bon, c'est Chill Meeting. Tu connais la formule.
Be about no cry no more.
On vient jouer ce dont on a envie.
I'm begging
Alors je vais changer de style.
let your teardrops hit the floor. Nobody
Le prochain s'appelle Zaga.
because happy.
C'est un brand new tune. C'est une production Cashflow Records.
When there's a hit, lace up my shoes if I school,
Different style.
up my tie if I work. Push out the handcat if I hustling, cause me know something have to work. I cash flow, said I've got something to tell you. A little something when me want to take. Hey, buy the sweats off your bro.
Eh, parce que perso j'ai bloqué sur ce tune.
The key is to work hard until you get your pay. No seed, no country, nah day, so sing with me as I say. Me say me nah go stop, cause the money a fi me. Me say me nah go stop, food a fi in a pot. Say me nah go stop, me create a fi dey a top. Say me nah go stop, me nah go stop, me nah
Yes.
go stop. Hey, things a fi go on, so they
Chill
hustle a
Meeting,
work.
deuxième
Me a
édition.
sell a market,
Big up King
so
Roula.
the grades a fi
À
work.
Watson dans la place.
Sun come up, taxi driver hurt. Police a kill me with ticket and gas price get worse. Because me like nice things, me a fi work. Hot girl no I'm broke man, me a fi work. Nobody me nah depend on me a fi work. Me a fi work it. Remember say the key is to work hard until you get your pay. No seed, no country, nah day, so sing with me as I say. Me say me nah go stop. I fi make it in a life, say me nah go stop. Want live not just survive, say me nah go stop. Pretty car to be dry, say me nah go stop. Me nah go stop, me nah go stop. Plus me make a promise to myself, me nah go dead broke. Worst of all, me no believe in a deadlock. Me put me muscle to the tussle, cause
Yes,
this
on
what I
continue
feel
tranquille.
never ni farm
Reggae
while them
music.
a reminisce for Rome. Because me like nice things, me a fi work. Hot girl no
Reggae
broke
calling.
man, me a fi work. Nobody me now.
It's come the thing we call Booyah! Sweet, sweet reggae music playing in dancehall. Yeah!
Style them.
Me tell you. Murder, reggae music call me.
I hear the massive them say.
Murder, reggae music call me.
All over the world.
Murder, money in a reggae army.
The massive them say.
Murder, reggae music call me.
Style them. Reggae revival, spin it viral. From the days 12 track and vinyl. Man I go a dance all from when I wear clocks and I walk 10 mile in a sandal. You don't know I felt hot and congal. Everybody don't click Cornell Campbell. You don't know about your nose with the 1000 foot. Them man, their style never normal. Them time did real nice. Artists use them real vibes. You know have out a tune for go put on a tune, but one of us seriously nice. Lyrics are right and revise. On section real nice. So what time for we rejoice. Reggae on top of all of these guys.
Murder, reggae
On va
music
continuer
call
reggae
me.
avec l'homme que l'on appelle la
I hear
Yandi.
the massive them say.
Murder, reggae music call me.
Le morceau s'appelle Rough in a Town.
Hey, done in a town where dog and yam dog. Hey boy, you can be soft, you must be badder than bad. Some man a lock him turf, that a the gangster spot. This is what I see, not just a gangster chat. Italy me live, but Africa me motherland.
Cool.
Me know
Yes, on la remet. La Yandi. Écoute ça. Rough in a Town.
Hey, done in a town where dog and yam dog. Hey boy, you can be soft, you must be badder than bad. Some man a lock him turf, that a the gangster spot. This is what I see, not just a gangster chat. Italy me live, but Africa me motherland. Me know sufferation, me's a suffering man. Poverty a poverty, now watch no nation. Everyone have a story, this a my version. Mr. Erupt in a town.
Yes. On continue. Album Ozzy.
Erupt in a town.
Le morceau s'appelle Pause.
Them a poser, enough of them a poser. Yes, them a poser, many of them a poser. Music composer, have no composure. Poser boy, yeah. Missy said them a poser, enough of them a poser. Yes, them a poser, many of them a poser. Music
new.
composer, have no composure. Poser boy, yeah. How them a move and steady, take a break, slow down. Acting like a verb when them just a pronoun. Empty barrel always make the most sound. If you known by the few, you is just an unknown. Putting on a show for a crowd, you loud and proud with your head in the cloud. Still arguments, them should never be allowed. Better hold your breath if your thoughts are in doubt. Them a poser, enough of them a poser. Yes, them a poser, many of them a poser. Music
Yes, Eurosia.
have no composure. Poser boy, yeah. Missy said them a poser.
Et si tu sais toujours pas où t'es, la chose s'appelle Chill Meeting.
Many of them
Deuxième édition.
music composer have no composure.
Awax, Eurosia, King Rula.
A big combination.
Them are the best, so you fi say that king. Acknowledge the veteran, you just the next half king. Man has take you through the world, so respect God wings. Big up the elders, them who pave the way for the next half springs. Meditate to me words and take heed to me.
Les Jawa qui se préparent.
I'm full if you decide fi do farming, don't swim in the water. If you know, say you drowning, yo. We sit from afar, yo. Them a poser, enough of them a poser. Yes, them a poser.
On passe en mode vinyle
A poser.
pour tous les vrais addicts.
Poser, have no compo.
Monsieur Tipa Irie.
Oh, yeah. Missy say them a poser, enough of them a
So Selecta, you ready?
yes, them a poser.
Give me tune then.
Whistle a sign, no crowd of people, you feel listen them style and fashion, yeah. Cause anything I and I chat is mine. Say size, mine, my design. See?
Baseline.
Because it at the time the lyrical rhyme, Lord. At the time the lyrical rhyme, Lord. At the time the lyrical rhyme, Lord. At the time the lyrical rhyme. Because at the time the lyrical rhyme is slim, me find me not for wine. Me come and dance, me chat in time. The lyric me chat a mine a mine. 7 times 7 a 49, a 3 times 3 that equal 9. Me take that 7 and not a 9. Out of a 6 and not for 9. Me with 30 and not 29. Tip for Irish chatting for anything me chat. My design Michael Jackson sing. The girl is my support your back.
Le vétéran.
From
UK.
Me full about fight the tip, but I read the people die. Come and dance me nice, you might make girlfriend name, you know I try. Whether you hate, say whether you like, say whether you black, or whether you white, whether hypocrite, or pirate, whether punk, or I sodomite. How did they water gone for time?
Real rock.
On the side, me fluff me guy. Side to girl, one black, one white. They put on a tell me, gonna to side. They couldn't tell me read, and I might tell me where your life from where it slide. Live it up right in the just side, no fuss, no fight, no think, right. So it the spot with all you got is tipper at the mic catcher. Know they shoot the cream of the crop, me come and dance, they rockin' and stop. But what would I do if I was a rich man? I buy a beaver, buy a car, buy a pub with my umber. I travel here, I travel there, travel almost anywhere. I travel up, I travel down. Even by my own time, I take a plane and go to Spain. Take a chance and go to France. I would not pay go any dance. They must take me part to strictly goal and never pro.
Et on va continuer comme ça avec les vétérans.
Used to call me Tito Dam because I used to suck my bum. I'm rolling yes.
Si t'es ready
I'm rolling yes.
pour Monsieur Everton Blenda.
And me a do the farming. Me a do the farming. Me a do the farming. Boy. Plant up me cucumber and me soursop.
All time tune.
Me beetroot and me carrot. Plant up me peanut and me coconut. Blend up me punch in a calabash. And me a the blender. Me blend them, me crush them. Me a do the blending. Me blend them, me crush them. Me a the blender. Me a do the farming. Hey, when them drink the carrot juice, them say it's so sweet. Drink the carrot juice from Lasso to Jericho Street. Drink the sour sap, them say it's so nice. Drink the sour sap, it make your nerves can't get weak. Drink the truth, 7 days a week. It make you stand strong on your feet. Blender,
45 Selection.
me a the blender. And me a do
Les big tunes à l'ancienne.
me a do the steak.
Watch this. Give me no soap, give me no star, me and Jaja have to sparse.
Et oui, tu t'en souviens.
Me and deal with digging the cool down with the war. Give me no soap, give me no star, me and Jaja.
Roll Papa San.
Strictly love, me and deal with digging the cool down with the war. Every day them a fuss and fight, and I'm a go with the gun and knife. Don't bother with the gun, don't bother with the knife, don't bother take a brother man life. Come again, many time me try, pay help another guy. Some way, somehow, me no blow out, and just won't give me the blind. Me woman a say me shy, me girlfriend make me cry. Then people say me tie, me no know for the reason why. Policeman want me die. They
So King Ruler.
Them saw me like a fly, them want feel like I'm high. But true I'm a no spy, them turn me in a me high. Me could not see the sky, them want me testify. But I'm a bonafide, and sometimes jokeify. And them not sanctify, them could not spar with I. So give me the supply, and make me clarify.
Attends, pour changer, c'est moi qui vais t'animer.
More than to wonder why, but if me not qualify. Oh me, oh me, oh my. Well I would rather die, more than feel living a dying. Yeah me know so.
Changement de style. Vinyle.
Look, me and deal with bigger than we cool long with the war. Yeah me know so, yeah me know star. Me and Jaja have to spar. Strictly look, me and deal with bigger than we cool long with the war. Me pray to the Most High, to Him me glorify. But I not satisfied until me justify. We need to pacify, problem to rectify. Cause bye bye bye, that make me terrify. And if I'm a reply, somebody skin a fry, and I can certify if I'm an alibi. Who them say they die? No easy lassie high, but where the body lie, they can't identify. Some try to signify, but there's no method to apply. There's no need to verify, it's just a Rastafari. You me know so, you me know star, me can jaja after star, strictly love. Me ya did it, taking it cool down, with the war. You me know so, you me know star, me can jaja after star, strictly love. Me ya did it, taking it cool down, with the war.
Yes,
Right, and I'm not gonna be the gun and knife. Don't bother with the gun, don't bother with the knife, don't bother take a brother man like come again. No minute time they try, we help on that guy. Some way somehow, me no blow out. Him just don't give me the blind. Cause me
Mad Selection.
me girl fi make me cry.
Awax.
Say me tie, me no know for the reason why. Policeman.
Ok, merci. Donc t'as vu pour ce chill meeting numéro 2. Awax et Eurosia nous ont invités, nous King Rula, et j'en profite quand même pour big up les fondateurs de King Rula, Mighty Fire, you know, big respect. Et aussi parce que King Rula, ça fait quand même 10 ans qu'on est là, quoi, plus de 10 ans maintenant. Donc je big up quand même le fondateur Mighty Fire, Yazé, Iseka, Caporaldi qui n'a pas pu être là ce soir. On le big up également. Sorry my friend, that's business. Yazé. Bon, tout ça pour dire que, comme ça fait longtemps qu'on est dans le game, je me souviens qu'à l'époque, dans les premières soirées, on jouait des tunes qui faisaient comme ça.
Roots, reality and culture. Yeah, the whole world a cry for. No long time we have it in Jamaica, but some guy hide it like treasure. Anyway, discover my bun together with them say them want. Where them say them want. Roots, reality or culture. Long time we have it, but the world does ask of it.
Roots, reality and culture.
It is up to us to educate.
Ok.
Roots, reality and culture. Yeah.
Back in time.
Cry for. No long time we have it in Jamaica, but some.
Et je me souviens de ça, Mighty Fire. Tu l'auras pu jouer, non?
Where them say them want. Roots, reality or culture. Long time we have it, but the world does ask of it. Roots, reality and culture. It is up to us to educate all the youngster. Amen. So let it be heavenly Father. Rule heaven and earth, you rule it entire. But truths and right, every man should desire. The way out the poor live, we admire. We defend the poor rights, we now retire. From a little and a go, me know people a suffer. All them a work, poor people no see better. Poor people work while the rich a get richer. Economy get a blow, so them devalue with dollar. Every day we get up, cost of living get higher. Them raise up the rice, chicken back and the flour. Gotta guide me every minute, every hour. So roots, reality, our culture. Long time we have it, but the world just asks of it. Roots, reality and culture. No things we talk where we see in the future. Black man a time for no all thing proper. Stop fight for PMP and stop fight for labor. Pull on the fist so no fi take down the finger. Stop bark the lead, do no fi stop fire the copper. Stop shoot down your black sister and your black brother. A time fi we both for the Almighty Father. Him a guide we every minute, every hour. Upon the darkest road and through the darkest tower. Enough time me hungry and drink some water. Go to me bed and me said fi me prayer and give thanks and praise in me life every hour. So
C'est sur d'anciens pour les anciens.
Long time we have it and the world does a cry for faith. Roots, reality and culture. It is up to us to educate all the youngsters.
Next tune, my
After
selector.
all,
Deuxième Bounty Killer.
somebody name you call. A pop up my gun and it rains to fall. Somebody road like ball. Yeah, no, you're dead, your mother ball. Wrong man, name your call. Loose argument, Peter, long story, Paul. Well, you see me gun and pose up like a wall. And then over the surface, look like a mall. You coulda big or small, coulda long or tall. For you this me and me gun will all you with a go fall. And your mother we cry, and your daddy we ball. We not take hostage, might as well kill all. Coulda by St. Peter, coulda by St. Paul. Coulda tough like a yam, you coulda took like wall. Me pop off me gun. When name rain stop fall, Where you pop two, I and it at your 2 wall. Well, somebody you feed it from them this after all. Dead your mother ball spanglers, name you call loose argument, teach and long story pal. Boy, you see me gonna pose up like a wall, and then over the sofas load like a mall. Old big head stooge, coulda where you approve. See me Glock 19, you must be bulletproof. Cap a shot where you get, dash out of your shoes. Left you head over there so we shot out your fuse. Man a big bad man, no get me gun confused. Cap a shot in a me gun, them no mark excuse. Anything in a the way jungle is that a fi move. Dead your mother ball TG, name you call loose argument, teach and long story pal. So you see me gun and pose up like a wall, and dead over the sofas load like a mall. Me no pop off and yo, smarty dead anyhow. Spit fire like a dragon, have a buck like oh. Me no care the consequence, well somebody dead no. Man a big bad man and them gonna bow. We no pop out and talk from killing for start. Me a wicked man who no make with heart. We a murder people all without a cause. Well some boy you feed it from them and your motor draws. Dead your mother ball wrong man, name you call loose argument, Peter and long story pal. So who see me gonna pose up like a wall, and dead over the support out like a mall. You coulda fat or slim, coulda thick or thin, like bird of wing. A copper shot me a fling. All you hear you a lose like a barber hat string. Inna the middle of the street me 45 me a sling. Anything perplex, that dead like chicken. When me clap me mark 11 on the street like them. Dead your mother ball junglist, name you call loose argument, Peter a long story pal. Go ahead, you see man gun and pose up like a wall, and I over the support out like a.
It's a really hard times. Hungry just a little matter bros. We go fi look and walk, and the boss man refuse. We condition no pretty, but we have to choose it. Got little or no choice and a last night. Man a reason how things look so bleaky. It's up me some politician beg you take it easy. No make Jamaica bust and blow. What is happening in Jamaica? Every man say them no know. Nothing now sell a town and everything slow. Price of things sky high and no dollars now flow. 5 o'clock for dance and 3 o'clock for stage show. When session done, promoter still owe. We know IMF from we little and a grow. And them first put Jamaica and go slow. But at hard times, hungry and liquor matter blows we. Go fi look and walk, and the boss man refuse it. Condition no pretty, still we have to choose it. Got little and no choice just last night. Man a reason now things look so bleaky. He's up this a politician, beg you take it easy. Beg you take your foot off of me pride, hey. Half a bird, big chiller eye.
I lift up my hands unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from Jah, who has made Zion and the earth. Oh gosh, give us strength, mighty Jah, give us strength to carry on. Give us strength, mighty Jah, give us strength, and no harder. Children are working harder, day and night, striving to survive. Striving to survive. Listen, lots of things to take care of.
Yes.
You know the going is rough.
J'en profite pour remplacer une Améga, le Badji, Newman, une belle famille, Rosia 100.
Lord Mikey, get up, feel a little girl. That's why I say, give us strength, mighty Jah, give us strength to carry on. Give us strength, mighty Jah, give us strength to carry on. Hear my voice, oh God, in my prayer. Hear my voice, preserve my life from fear of the enemies. Oh Lord, hide me from the secret. Don't say no.
I say he that keepeth his mouth, you know.
Chrolix.
They shall belong God.
10 milliards.
I never ask you, not know what you tell me. I beg you daily to cease and still you keep talking. Me granny tell me from your keep it his mouth shall stay out of problem. It seems like he was carrying jail, so I ain't carrying on. Same out that chatter with me will chatter of me, murder rap big informer. Oh Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem.
Profite aussi pour big up Large Up à Waxon qui Groula, tu sais, ça va faire 10 ans qu'ils font descendre. Nous, ça fait à peine une petite année, on a appris avec des gens comme eux. Big up les gars. On continue Chill Meeting avec Romain Virgo.
Beer gun thing, the youths them up on their mind. Oh, them bust it when rain a fall. You know see say them no care, them your youth bust it all when sun a shine. Oh, you know see a beer juvenile. Yeah, I'ma lock the big guns out the street. Them a bust it up, bust it up. Oh. Where them get it from, nobody know. Them father was a killer. Oh, well, I see him so them grow. Oh, I know me can't see. No matter how me try to do it, me can't sleep. Up here gunshot a beat, me can't sleep.
On continue avec un big artiste du moment, Randy Valentine.
You better learn how to love her. You better wake up. Watch out now. Hey, well, if you don't learn to love your lady, somebody else will do it for you. One love and call me crazy, but don't say me never want you. You better wake up, wake up. You're living in a dream. If you think another man won't rock and come in, you're gonna lose your lady if you don't learn how to treat her right. Yo, listen to this king. This is not a this thing, this is string. Don't really need no new gadget. No, she need love and affection, more attention. No whole heap of midnight magic. But you go make another man put a smile on her face. Right there, so you make a big mistake. You're losing her slowly. Cause if you don't learn to love the lady, somebody else will do it for you. One love and call me crazy, but don't say me never want you. You better wake up, you're living in a dream. If you think another man won't rock and come in, you're gonna lose your lady if you don't learn how to treat her right. Question, when last you buy your girl some flowers? Send her a text and tell her meet me in the shower. If you not give her no love and affection, next summer she a run me with the flower. Because you don't appreciate, and you not gonna realize until it's too late. She find a new place, new love, and you coulda stopped that with one touch.
Joe Mercer Marley, Rock and Swing.
So hear me sing, hey. Rock and swing like if it ain't nothing. Right now you're listening to the young ragamuffin thing. Rock and swing like if it ain't nothing. Right now you're listening to the young ragamuffin. Oh Lord. Amers. Before me do damage, me pay homage to the creator. Jah love greater than the greater. Take them makeup in the baker. Trouble the world and never return. Me pulling up every theater. Lyrical Rambo in me camo by nature. Selassie I words, the people are search for love, not papers. Fun pedophiles and rapers. For we Babylon them not favor. Politics where we not favor. Bad mind what we pray for. Smoke more than papers, not pounds. Acres, smoking the beer of my neighbor. Welcome to Jamaica. Here words would I take ya. The island full of a flavor. Manners and discipline to all the youth we are going with bad behavior. Them not craving but them crave for work. Them put in the labor. Not nothing them hustling, doubling, giving themselves out of danger. Back in the Glock and a lock career, keep them life up in a danger. So news flash it to this one, you're a stranger. Cause I don't want to know, and you shouldn't want to be.
outside of Zion gates when they close. So, rock and swing like if it ain't nothing. Right now you're listening to the young ragamuffin beam. Rock and swing like if it ain't
Ok Eurosia.
right now you're listening to the young ragamuffin.
Chill Meeting, ça continue.
Call my phone and them not get no answer.
Awax qui vient reprendre le contrôle.
Captain a look a sponsor. Get away with
On va poursuivre dans la même vibe.
and I wonder. Laugh out loud and then
Production Damian, Junior Gong, Marley, Monsieur Kabaka, Pyramide.
this one's for all the politicians them. Oh. Sure. Inna your face, them a smile up. Behind your back, of money, them a pile up. Try to start your business and them quick for spoil up. Hey, well done, Mr. Politician Man. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition, man. Sibbly bang, well done, Mr. Politician Man. You done such a great job selling out with country with your business plan.
Kabaka!
Well, you forget a round of applause for all the work you're doing. Decisions where you make will left the country in a ruins, yo. Strictly personal gain you're pursuing, so the tax rate higher than the planes where you're fluing. We gonna make you deal with the IMF, knowing on a backside, none of sugar cane left. The hotels and the beaches, the Spanish them go screeching. Me no know how you do it, but all my office say is well done, Mr. Politician Man. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition, man. Skibbly bang, well done, Mr. Politician Man.
Monsieur Kabaka, Pyramide, produit par Damian Marley. On va continuer dans les brand new. Le prochain s'appelle Million Styles.
Well, the beer vibes are gone. A beer vibes are gone. Well, then we know the reggae music I hate around the land. Well, every time me step in a the dance, me see the gyal them just a jump and prance. Rude boy a crush up the weed in a them hand. Yard vibes are gone from Japan to France. A long time and I see a session so ram. I agree that bun up so beer vibes are gone. Every man
Chill
to
Meeting,
a
we say.
woman to a man. A one drop wave it a flood up the land. Bun a bad mind them not more than you. Real to the thing coulda never undo. Talk them a talk, that's all them can do. Me na business who a screw, just listen to the one tap. Everybody forward and make a one stop. Ooh yeah, a the one tap. This a cha-cha music so we can flop. No way, well a the one tap. Everybody forward and make a one stop. Ooh yeah, a the one tap. Reggae music worldwide gone on top. Me say, here I come, here I am. With roots rock reggae and I bless up the land.
King coming from a generation when artists lyrics it full of education. The leaders of the world and the United Nations never want to hear the message from the radio station. No, as a youth me have a reggae reputation. Origin West Indian but me born a England. Father Jamaican, mama Adamanican. Holy papa what in a me conversation. Now in a primary school me get my reputation. Fi bang pan table every day and sing song. Never want play football, now want play ping pong. The invisible microphone me have in a me hand. And me glad say me grow up on some studio one. Dig deep na me father record collection. Me daddy said that you there I go be someone. So me go a Stonebridge go check the rough cut band. After school in a studio with me a Rasta man.
From we are youth, we are tread the same road. When we touch the street, we wear the same dress code. And anything we have, we would share. Cause you are my friend and no one can compare. Now you drop a foreign cause your mama do your filing. No member yard, every day I just styling. What you want dash your money in a dance. You know must get to you to the love we have a chance, yes. Benz and Bima where you having on your parking lot. And anytime you stop me, hear the champagne pop. Down a yard, you never buy no steel and black. No, you get stopped by the cop. But boy, you never know. No, you never know. Say your life would have turned so. Say you live the best life when you live up in a foreign land. Used to twang and sing them old foreign song. See them now you back down pon the rock. We want suit of clothes pon your back. Hey boy, you never know. No, you never know. Say your life
would have turned so. Say, you was the boss when I live up in a Uncle Sam. No remember Uncle John or Auntie Pam. See, they know you back down on the rock with one suit of clothes on your back. Alright, Louis V. Prada, you know we like us. If I no rape band, you know want no glass. Now you're reminiscing of your past. When pretty groupies would call you boss. You remember this? Gold teeth and long chain a swing round your throat. When anti-right, you know read anti-note. And life in the fast lane is all you know. No back to yard you a go. Boy, you never know. No, you never know. Say your life would have turned so. Say you live the best life when you live up in a foreign land. Used to twang and sing them old foreign song. See they know you back down on the rock with one suit of clothes on your back. Hey boy, you never know. No, you never know. Say your life would have turned so. Say you was the boss when you live up in a
long time I tell the whole of them some man a palace. Be a hot girl when me having on my palace. I cut up me weed and me chalice. People out the road, the whole of them start malice. A long time I tell the whole of them some man a gallus. I Davis me name, so no call me no Wallace.
Yes, so yeah, my people, Willy Bonson a pris le contrôle pour King Wallason, you know. Zim.
Man a gal is from birth naturally. From a little and a grow dolly. Use me a the daddy. Some boy can't get no girl cause them style too sloppy. Me original, them a carbon copy.
Real talk.
King Solomon no have nothing for me. Cause if girl was money, me rotten rich party, me swear. Them alone make me happy. Woman love me like bees love honey. Sarah tell them.
Long time I tell the whole of them some man a gallus. Be a hot girl when me having on my palace. I cut up me weed and I load up me chalice. People out the road, the whole of them start malice. A long time I tell the whole of them some man a gallus. I Davis me name, so no call me no Wallace. Good life be established, that's why man a flourish. I mean the
yes, chill meeting.
Don't worry girl, I will keep your secret. She says she freaky but only in a private. Can't show her man cause him love feel a bitch. I mean she confide with, hear this. Real gal is every week me have a new chick. Like
Ok, on big up tous les real gallis, tous les hommes qui aiment réellement les femmes, you know.
Atlantic, cause them give me up the magic, stick it fantastic, hey.
Mash them down, you with your beat, then all the bingy drum and chant them down, and we a mash them down, them come and pose up like a big tree, we chop them down, you with a mash them down, and if them this can tire man, we box them down.
Ok, Sasko.
Them down, mash them down, remember
them what?
Them fish out them, alright, enough of them a go on like them a big bad man, yo, make them know I am the demolition man, because we mash them down, throw them in a rubble then, give them a one room with spit and span, and them fin out the thing, them piece up like a shift and pan, so that mean, up a thing them not go stick and jam, enough of them a trouble make a love for big pan man, if you a breed that a better you get a different plan, cause we mash them down, you with your beat, then all your bingy drum and chant them down, you with your mash them down, anytime them come and a chat and a run off them gun, we just mash them down, them a grab up, but before them all pop off them gun, we just box them down, we mash them down, I go on like them a big tree, we chop them down, and them fin no obstacle, them no fit a area, mash them down, enough of them a pose up like a barrier, mash them down, enough of them a war boat like aircraft carrier, we mash them down, cause we a warrior, mash them down, push them down, kick them down, tuck them down, mash them down, tear them down, whip them down, shell them down, shut them down, mash them down, back them down, shut them down and I lock them down, mash them down, cut them down like Berlin Wall, we knock them down and mash them down, you with a beat, then all the bingy drum and chant them down, and we a mash them down,
Reach for your goals, tell them again, youths reach for your goals. Alright then, alright.
Let's go Levi.
It's in your head, youth, and what I say, education alone can save us. Knowledge today that can open up the way, keep working hard and stay focused. I say get it in your head, youth, and what I say, education alone can save us now. Knowledge today that can open up the way, keep working hard and stay focused. Alright then, I say youths in universities, don't care where it is, stand firm and achieve your goals. Mind resurrection, future preparation, claim your own, stand up brave and bold. And I say read, youths, read everything till you can't read no more. Your future depends on what you do today. Never let illiteracy take you.
Ok le gain.
Education elevates the nation.
C'est on a compris, t'as vu?
Generation, preparation, set the foundation.
Mais non, j'explique.
Today lead them out of tribulation.
Rise to the occasion, fill your application, choose your occupation. For you to compete in this digital age. Come on, youths keep flipping those pages.
I say get it in your head, youth, hear what I say. Education alone can save us.
Knowledge today that can open up the way. Keep working hard and stay focused.
I say get it in your head, youth, hear what I say. Education alone can save us now.
Knowledge today that can open up the way. Keep working hard and stay focused. Desktops and laptops, notebooks and backpacks.
More important than tight jeans and snapbacks.
Before you pre-fill up cash, the big house, the job top.
Education are the key, so make sure you lock that.
The chain, the watch, the rings, the 18-inch rims,
the polo and the Tims and all these things.
The iPhone, the iPod, the BlackBerry Sims.
Without education, that don't mean nothing.
Now this is the kind of music that you dance in. The stress-free music, reggae music. The greatest
Easy.
ever heard.
Comme à la maison.
Again, you know?
Come and hit me with music.
Rhythm track.
Hey, this is from the reggae and it's reggae. If you not like it, go away. Cause when this music hits ya, you feel no pain lick ya. This is reggae music, keep you straight up. Now lick you down and make you hip hop. Watch that girl up on a red top. Working the dance floor non-stop. Wind up your waist, girl, take it in. The reggae sweet, girl, take it in. You love the beat, girl, take it in. Take it, take it, take it, take it in. Wind up your waist and take it in. Jiggle your body, girl, take it in. Make up your face and take it in. Take it, take it, take it, take it in.
Reggae and the mover, if the girl them choose. If you are real reggae girl, just bust a money move. Bust it like a sniper, flush it like a wiper. Blaze up your lighter, light up the night, yeah. Hit mad, this your music make people go on bad. From the baby up to the granddad. Reggae music a playing and we can't tired.
She's whining like a gypsy. And whining with so frisky. Right now she's moving tipsy. And some reggae vibes and whiskey. Hey, wind up your waist, girl, take it in. You love the bass, girl, take it in. The reggae sweet, girl, take it in.
Yes, yes, moi aussi j'aime bien. Fresh artist. Toyan. Fresh one.
Bam bam bam, no I'm in a bam till I need you, baby. Was done with you, boy, just the other day. I know me need you, want you to stay. Me love it, me love it, me love it, me love it.
Yes, we love it, we love it, we love it, we love it.
Me is a uptown girl, but me love them and them from my valley. Them rough and tough, and me love them like sense to me. No. Of the few I've had in my life, none have compared to you. You make my heart feel free. You make me feel complete, that's why me love it, me love it, me love it, me love it. Boy from Marmalade, wish I could be more than your liquor browning with all of the loving way you bring.
people. T'as vu depuis tout à l'heure entre Awax, Erosia et King Rula, on a joué beaucoup de fresh artists, you know, beaucoup de fresh artists. Et c'est vrai que tout à l'heure t'as joué un Kabaka. Kabaka, franchement, il est dans la hype, rien à dire en ce moment. Il y a des tunes des fois qui sont oubliés, tu vois, que les artistes ils ont fait, ils sont un peu passés à la trappe. Et du coup, je vais jouer un Kabaka avec Chronix qui est un peu passé à la trappe.
At this we come to tell them. Why you know? Give it
Bim bam.
The ghetto youth, them not have no hope in a system where them can't plan to cope. In an island where them turn sun to coke and then transform that in a crack to smoke. Yard man of some sample folk.
Kabaka.
And live hand to mouth.
Chronix.
We from West or Santa Cruz, but the cops have
chill meeting.
Live like your face split for a tail. Take up on a holiday trip over jail. And the cell to ram, if you sleep on the ground full of shit or sit on a pail. And the prison them full of these underprivileged youths where them system create. Man a sing get a blues till a time for we left on the black star ship we a say.
Let me sing a sweet song for you. And if you ask me what I'm singing, I'm singing the
ghetto blues.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me sing a sweet song for you, yeah. And if you ask me what I'm singing, I'm singing the ghetto blues. Why, oh? Issues are burn like rubbish shape down a river time. So me put it in a me lyrics, them a positive again. And free up the streets, them where the traffic did a jam. Cause the ghetto youths, them say free water with. A long time them a live and can't manage water rate. Can't manage water rate, not to mention the light. And when them get frustrated, is the next younger light. So they tell Babylon say talk is cheap, cause get the youths and them out of garbage. If they get a youth strong, then a revolution, and the revolution have to start with me. So you know if you ask it free, I go break from the chain and start it free. Justice man a chant for inna the ghetto blues, better pack up and move with the rocket peace, boy. Let me sing a sweet song for you.
You the ones from the back of me, you know.
Singing the ghetto blues. Why oh? Let me sing a sweet song for you. And if you ask me what I'm singing, I'm singing the ghetto blues. Yes, I am, yes.
In these houses made of wood and sing my people sleep at night. Singing these songs of ghetto blues, I think they need some peace of mind. Clothes and wash with no machine, hang them up on piece of line. Chicken back and ton can meal, can't afford the peas and rice. When these machines arise, the youths them fall like rain from cloud. War and crime materialize and politicians don't make a sound. Only sound I hear is when that little child get eliminated. Youths and futures get denied, like when we try to immigrate. For the youths them where you look down upon, say your smiling face get frowned upon. For the ghetto youths them where you victimize, I all know the artists them the own a song. And I just saw the system set them, I let out your life for the big interest. Take a look how the system stress to the hormones up in the chicken breast.
And let me sing a sweet song for you.
This one's for the people, you know.
Yes, if you ask me when you're singing, I'm singing
the ghetto blues.
Why? Yes, I am, yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me sing a sweet song for you, yeah. And if you ask me what I'm singing the ghetto blues. Kabaka pyramid.
On continue avec les tunes un peu oubliées.
Jamaica not
beware for the shot of them strap. Rasta man I tell the youths them fill out the Glock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them not care. No, it's a shame to see brothers killing themselves, wasting energy. Should be uplifting themselves. Who's the enemy? Putting shots on the shelf. What we need is brain food and belly food for our health. So don't get caught up in a petty passion. Be careful of them guns and ammunition. And let us make a change in meditation. Cause we could use the strength for cultivation, my Lord. Beware. For the shot of them strap. Rastaman I tell the youths them no. Rat-tat-tat-tat. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them we shot to in a you poo-poo. Beware. Now the whole place hot. Rastaman I tell the youths them fell out the clock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. Oh, so much gun crime, man a shot, man a night time. Read your headlines, Lord, it really blows my mind. School children targeted in the broad daylight. Them a dead for cell phone. Also in a drive-by, police are dead. One a day, them shot the sheriff and a come for the deputy. Jeez, all the woman them no partial. What make them kill the old lady and the old man? No, beware. For the shot of them stop. Rastaman I tell the youths them fell out the Glock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them we shot out you poo-poo. Beware. Now the whole place hot. Rastaman I tell the youths them no. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them we shot you in a you poo-poo.
Murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I. Wow. I see them lying there, wait.
Parce que comme vient de te dire Tarus Riley dans le ghetto, faut faire attention.
But yeah, I want my and I sing.
Some gunshot.
Murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must be alone. How does it feel to take the life of another? Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. Kill me today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must be alone. How does it feel to take a life? You can hide from man, but not your conscience. Oh no, you be brother, sorrow, take the wine of violence. Allow yourself to be conquered by the serpent. Why you disobey the first commandment? Walk through the valley, I fear no pestilence. That is my weakness, and him and me evidence. Lift up my eyes from whence cometh death. Them coulda never escape this your judgment. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must be alone. How does it feel to take a life? I tell you no, all man are created equal. But behind the trigger, it's a different sequel. Some a murder people, just to collect me and stop coming dirty acts. For the high official, you coulda wash your head till you can't wash no more. It is like an epidemic and you can't find a cure. Upper class you coulda rich, middle class whether you're poor. Only the righteous who won't feel insecure. You ever think about your skull getting bored?
Alright. Bon, attends. Parce que King Roulin, ils nous font boire du rhum et tout là. Il faut gérer la situation. C'est Jawak qui vient reprendre le contrôle. Scotch Bonnet Records. Listen. Different.
Every man do his thing a little way different. The things I do it in a different way from you. The things you do it in a different way sometimes.
Original vinylist.
Every man do his thing a little way different. Every man do his thing a little way different. So check yourself before you check your friend. Look into your heart.
Et tu connais Jawak, c'est son label fétiche. Scotch Bonnet Records.
Don't be deceived. One love, one identity for you and me. But every man do his thing a little way different. Every man do his thing a little way different.
So Selecta,
The things I
who comes next?
I do it in a different way from you.
Yeah, this is Kenner.
The things you do,
Blessing of the people all time. Yeah.
in a different way.
Grandfather sit down with grandson, talking about a little wisdom. Yes. Grandfather sit down with grandson, and this is what he say. And him say, grandson, I don't have long. Try come taking this information. My time on earth is short. So listen the word them come from me heart. Him sings, not to come no knife, not to come no gun. Remember, because there's no fun. Well, nobody follow them fools. Better you go take your little brain, go to school. Him say, education rule in life is sure to need.
Et oui, tu connais. Chez Awax, on aime bien les bonnes basslines.
Life is for living and not for abuse. You got no have to really live the life that you choose.
Heavy rhythm.
Thorns are a life of fruits. Be a gentleman and don't be no brute. The goodness of life you got to salute. And then sing, one life to live. Remember there is so much to give. One life to live. Remember to stay positive. One life to live. Remember there is so much to give. One life to live. Remember to burn out negative. Never you be no robber. Never you be no thief. Better you poor and number. Walking with integrity.
Et parce qu'on n'a pas joué beaucoup de Sista, celle-ci s'appelle Sunti. Encore une fois, Scotch Bonnet. Pour les Weedman, les Weedwoman. Listen.
Fly to the moon and allow to see. Pull that jar that I'm also free. I need weed to make me see. I need a weed, won't you help me please? That wish come from Danny season. Now we swift and make me fly to the moon and allow me to see. Pull that jar that I'm also free. I need weed to make me see.
Baseline.
Basements of THG growing dull from goosies, but in a refreshing way to live as long as my red sheets and it smells so sweet. How do I love the baby greens? We soon know a murder. Oh, when I cut the smithereens, I let them bleed fresh. Yes, yeah, like a sample it for free. But you want that fresh wine, come collect the lot from me because I'm growing regularly. I got a basement back with weed. Forget that about price tag 6, so let's up and what G. Basements of THG come dull from goosies. As long as I do enough, I need weed. Won't you help me please? That wish go from dynasties and now we swift and make me fly to the moon and allow the seas. Pull that tag and I'm also free. I need weed to make me see. It's a SMGS, double O-M to the T. I always only that prime cut some of many tall trees. Along the melody, I ride will I puff on that cheese. Get an eye and a breathe like through the sky into the sea. I dive and I fly and I get by with a joint in and frame close by the mind. Passing anti-clockwise if you don't mind. I've counted the people in the room and it's close to 5 with another for arriving shortly. Then I know we were benign. Weed, won't you help me please? That wish go.
Et on va continuer comme ça.
Now we swift
Jawad, alongside Scotch Bonnet Records.
Cause I'm a traveler. Yes, I'm a traveler.
Ramzanam Charlie P.
To all the international, cause I'm a traveler. Traveling all across the border. Smoking sweet marijuana.
Encore une fois, ready pour la basse.
No drama, Lord. 'cause I'm a traveler, traveling all across the seas, yeah. Faces in the streets, yeah. We never deal with the police there, no. I remember the first dance when me ever sing abroad. Yes, I flew over to France, top station no gone. Say me and Kenny nuts and over tears in the dance. I was only 15, but conscious lyrics me had to blast. Now I'm 19, nearly 20, man, the time it goes so fast. But I won't go there, that I tell you a bit about my past. I've been singing since I was 5, when I was 7 in the dance. Me never
bike rider, me other bike rider. Bike rider, me other bike rider.
Ça enchaîne.
Me riding a bike is better. Bike rider, me other bike rider. Everybody should ride bicycle. Everybody should ride bicycle. Bike for me, bike for you, bike for everyone. Bike for
Yes,
me,
Willy.
bike for you, bike for everyone. Yes, me other bike rider.
Chill Meeting, deuxième édition. Awax, Eurosia, King Rula, special guests. On se rapproche de la fin. On va continuer encore un peu. Strictly Vibes.
Me no fear no police officer. Bike rider,
Yep,
me
yep, yep.
other bike rider. Bicycle rider.
Yes, Willy Bones.
Bicycle rider.
Represent for King Rula Sound.
Rider. Who are here? Who are here? Who are here? Exercise me. Exercise. Energize me. Energize.
Yes, yes, yes. Parce que vous avez raison, les gars, on n'a pas joué beaucoup de Sista ce soir. Ça, c'est vrai. Et pourtant, on respecte beaucoup, beaucoup les Sista, notamment derrière le mic. Run the track, my selector.
Throughout this dispensation, the struggles endure will only make I and I stronger. Empress Sativa says stand firm.
I got nice surviving throughout it all. Never giving up despite a spiritual war. We've traveled up roads I only know. We've come so far. We've come so far, yeah. Polytricking system insisting those innocent to be victim. This is sitting in kind of life people are living.
Empress Sativa.
Current situation, crime is only escalating. Youth need some type of motivation. More innovating means to achieve them dreams. Above this core concrete, the jungle rumble, you will crumble if you're weak. Citizens are casualties of police brutality. While a shot of them are murder people like it are the lies. I've been throughout it all. Never giving up despite a spiritual war. We've traveled up roads only knows. We've come so far. We've come so far, yeah. I carry the torch to spark. I thought to start a revolution. Spiritual warfare for Georgia army I'm recruiting. Soldiers to use wisdom as weapons for executing Babylon. Strengthen your mind, got to be strong in the summer. Gideon is a go trade. The Iowa won the battles for the soul and not your flesh. Against principalities that's existing in higher no places. Firm with alliance, heart we stand and face this world full of powers of darkness. We eyes up regardless. Haile Selassie I the first. The scepter shall never depart yet from Judah. Conquering ruler of the earth. Still I'm surviving throughout it all.
Ok, si t'as pas compris,
Never giving up
on te le redit.
the spiritual war.
Empress Sativa.
Travel rough roads only know. We've come so far. We've come so far, yeah. In the summer, Gideon, it a go trade.
Every day is just another day to live. In every way, we should give up you can give. I am going to keep on chanting the sunrise every morning. Show that church and love is all there is. Yeah. People suffer, I'm not feeling so proud. Yeah.
Kalanji.
Come to earth and pass it deep, we call it a road. It's the powers of the Master. Protect us, not tell no lie. Praise your name, say it really loud. Forget the bad things, what they've said. Everyone's looking your bread. Hold no grudge against your brother. No, 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 no. Forget the bad things, what they've said. Everyone's looking your bread. Burn the war and let your love it flow. Hey, no more conspiracy. Hey, your Rasta man liberty. Wow. Through love and divinity. Burn out all iniquity. Hey, no more bad vibes. My people stay alive.
Step in at the place, no matter disrespect. Thus I want to get the youth about the choice what them a make. Lordy, lordy, now join no party. Look what the politician them do to Claudy. Look what the politician them
say pull up. Okay.
Get the youth about the choice what them a make. Lordy, lordy, now join no party. Look what the politician them do to Claudy. Look what the politician them do to Jim. Him son resurrect it and look what them do to him. Bim! Cause they will use and dispose of you those who are close to you.
Extrait du nouvel album de Proto J. Ancient Future.
Or tonight carry the scars of a coffee. I carry the fire of a Melchizedek. When your mind get a chance represent. Cause you might have no present. So not take them last of your past then resent so. Want make it fast so them last every cent too. So we go back to the ancient ways. Untold secrets that remained unchanged. Mentally get unchained. I want goal, I want aim, and the same what you're saying.
Got to stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the gain you attain by sudden flight. Rather keep your goals in sight.
True.
Even in the darkest night. Have faith in the Father, the one who shines your light.
Mercy me, them corrupt and covetous sneak up from me. I they am in here one thing that you say. The intellect a play up on the poor poverty. Nobody now dance to a two-party. Oppression, brainwashing and nefarious schemes to keep the have-nots where they think they ought to be. I man, your promises are better when the poll time close. Then I back to the same after we not announce. Rocks down a river bottom never announce a so not. So many of me brother them trapping at the blind. Black full of shot but no food in a pot. What kind of liberty that? I and I Allah straight up. Wake up, sons of Jacob. Lay down their arms, real tools if they take up. Stay up, wake up, sons of Jacob. Time to show the cowards what we made of.
Yes. Parce que c'est vrai que on a passé un bon moment. Ok. Chill Meeting numéro 2, c'était bien sympathique les amis. Et c'est bientôt la fin déjà. Et Chill Meeting, si t'as bien compris le concept, on passe du son, on danse, mais à l'aise. Et souvent pour se mettre à l'aise, t'as besoin de quoi?
Azuzu. Yo, Chris. Well, about I them out do the thing, you see me? So right now, those want keep it on a level. Green level.
T'as besoin de te mettre à l'aise.
Azuzu, alongside the mountain. Smarty, alongside Azuzu. Trees look so good, smell so good, feel so good. I want to do more.
Pass me a blunt, don't pass me no bottle. I don't wanna get drunk, won't get free.
So right now, those want keep it on a level. Green level.
Eh ouais, Green Lover.
Alongside the mountain.
Y'a pas de secret.
Smarty, alongside Azuzu. Trees look so good, smell so good, feel so good. I want to do more.
Pass me a blunt, don't pass me no bottle. I don't wanna get drunk, won't get real high. I don't wanna float, so call up Kiki, call him no, tell him sit on a phone. Pass me a blunt, don't pass me no bottle. I don't wanna get drunk, won't get real high. I don't wanna float, call up Kiki, call him no, sit on a phone.
Yo, them a say a drought time down a yard and be a bush. So me fly go to elevate. Some of the high junk kush. Them a grow it in a house and the lamp well stush. So me grab a country load and get my brain ambush. Hey yo, them a go call me the Green King. Where some start importing the green thing. Them no know say African, them well sneaking. So me can get it in a yard with much ease. King real thing.
Pass me no bottle, I don't wanna get drunk. Won't get real, I don't wanna float. So call up Kiki, call him now. Tell him say no enough on me. Pass me a blunt, don't pass me no bottle, I don't wanna get drunk. Won't get real, I don't wanna float. Call up Kiki, call him now. Say no enough on me.
Here we no Chris now. We no want no Molly water. No way. We no want no ecstasy. We no want no PCP, no cocaine, and no heroin for we. No way. No nigga in a me linky them vein. Only trees in a me linky them brain. We no thirsty, so no sorry for we. So keep your rum and your champagne and just
pass me a blunt, don't pass me no bottle. I don't wanna get drunk. Won't get real, I don't wanna float. So call up Kiki, call him now. Tell him say no enough on me. Pass me a blunt, don't pass me no bottle. I don't wanna get drunk. Won't get real, I don't wanna float. Call up Kiki, call him now.
Glide on the sea like a puzzle. Check it. No cocomania, pure sensimania. The story not a brain,
Hey, yes, I.
Them pass it to me, baby.
Away, go John time, you don't know.
Because we never choke on no coke, no. Strictly sensimania, we a smoke till we borrow. We never choke on no coke, no. Strictly sensimania, we a smoke.
Well, if we drown in all the sense to make it go, so then burn it by the leaf or the branch or the stem again.
Drown in all the sense to make it go, so then burn it on the corner, me and all our friends.
Tell them.
Sorry for the man, the moosey coke and go take it. Them have them precious life and not preserve nor protect it.
We give them good advice and all them do are just neglect it. Now all of them possession, them no longer possess it.
Them house, them land, and next man a stress it.
Them wife, them gal, and next man a F it.
I wonder where them pick up all those dirty habits. Them want see when we keep back and relax in our palace.
I sew up some herb, big load in on me chalice. The weed in on me backyard, well watered and it's flourish.
In the morning sunrise, that mean me herb well nourished.
Light up chalice in every parish and tell them this.
We not go choke on no coke, no. Strictly sensimania, we a smoke till we borrow.
Ok, comme tu l'as compris, on aime bien la ganja quand même.
Sensimania, we a smoke. Me get it directly from the field, it now for processing on the lab. Have to get more for real because me done what me did have.
Bon, chill meeting.
Ça
va être la fin, je joue un dernier tune avant de laisser la place à Luc pour qu'il termine Selecta Bashment, you know. Represent pour Rosia Sound, Big Up à Wax, IQ, Jawag, Yo, le Pizza Yolo. Et tu nous as mis bien, tu sais. Good sensimania. Et comme je te dis, avant que je laisse la place, je vais quand même jouer un dernier tune qui me tient à cœur. Un vieux Jam Mason de l'époque, franchement les gars, c'est un bon kiff.
Yeah, man, I'm tell them so what's on the universal, continental, global. You know, message reaching out to the youth them. Love when them step positive and royal. You know, keep it as it is. Hey, yo, hey.
These are those who've been through great tribulation. These are those who
suffer for the nation.
These are those who've been through
big tune. Jamaican. Ça doit être 2004 ou 2005, un délire comme ça, you know. Listen.
Me love how the youth of my liver. Me love how the youth of my liver. Them think positive, them nothing negative. Me love how the youth of my liver. Me love how the youth. Holy eye.
Ok, donc tu l'as dit, il n'y avait pas le choix là-dessus. Jamaican. J'avoue, t'as vu le gars est un peu disparu depuis, mais il nous a fourni les putains de tunes quand même.
Love when them step positive and royal. You know, keep it as it is. Hey, yo, hey.
These are those who've been through
great jubilation.
These are those who suffer for the nation.
Love.
These are those who've been through great tribulation. These are those who
suffer for the nation. Me love how the youth of my liver. Me love how the youth of my liver. Them think positive, them not think negative. Me love how the youth of my liver. Me love how the youth of my liver. Yes, them know where them coming from. Them not burn them bridge. Me love how the youth of my liver. Me love how the youth of my liver. Them think positive, them not think negative. No, love how the youth of my liver. Me love how the youth of my liver. Them know where them coming from. Them not burn them bridge. Them youth a live clean enough. Well, them youth a come to work as a team enough. Hey, not a thing can come between enough. Yo, tell them life is not a dream. Step forward, me no need. Yo, from the villa to the scheme. Hey, them a shine like a beam. Positive just scream. Yo, Rasta fresh on never green. Yo, hard, pure and clean. You know what I mean. All nation just come join in. Hey, yo, these are those who've been through great tribulation. These are those who suffer from a nation. These are those who've been through great tribulation. These are those who suffer for the nation. That's why me love all the youth of my liver. Me love all the youth of my liver. Them think positive, them not flex negative. Why? Me love all the youth of my liver. Me love all the youth of my liver. Them know where them coming from. Them not burn them retire. Love all the youth of my liver. Me love all the youth of my liver. Them think positive.
Ok, la prochaine, celle que l'on appelle Senna. Le morceau s'appelle Rebel Woman. Écoute ça.
I'm a rebel woman, fighting for equal rights and liberation. I am a rebel woman, fighting against all form of discrimination. I'm a strong woman, fighting to keep that love for every nation. Strong young woman who carry love and pain since the dawn of all creation. We come in all color, all size and all kind of shape. Why some wicked man are looking at we them one rape. Come from mountains and seas and all kind landscapes. Why some people want to differentiate, to make hate. We don't cause no wars, we don't drop no bombs. Yet the world think because of this we are weak and wrong. You think it's better that humanity should bleed and suffer. Nobody ever look for solution from mama. A rebel woman, fighting for equal rights and liberation. I am a rebel woman, fighting against all forms of discrimination. I am a strong woman, yeah, fighting to keep that love for every nation. Strong young woman who carry love and pain since the dawn of all creation. Remember that the earth is the belly of all creation. What we women do.
Yes, Chill Building. Il reste plus beaucoup de temps.
The rules where they apply no get no justification. The world turns around under mystic rotation. Clear out this your way and make we give out a promotion. Every mother and
on continue Digital Style. Chronicle.
Just kill one murderous son boy in a alone because them a jump on. Say what a boom boom clot and bush pain. My son kill a zing pan again. What a boom boom clot and bush pain. My son wounded one again. My son mean we kill enough of them on the scene. Shilly, my son mean yes them gone enough on the scene. From the mark to the cemetery, we send son boy go bury. Pray. From the mark to the cemetery, we send son boy go bury. Who no get vote box? Them run down the country, we chop grass for feed cow, goat and donkey. Hey, we murder a son boy in a little. My son just kill one.
Ok.
We murder a sound
On va
boy.
vous jouer la dernière.
We just kill a whole pan. Say what a boom boom clack and bush ping. My son kill a sing pan again. Say what
Sur
a
le last
boom boom
one,
clack and bush ping.
Shabba Ranks.
Then if you don't wanna choose life, then you choose death. Shabba, love, fatter, boy flatter. Straight ganja smoking, you know. Straight ganja smoking. Alright. Babylon can't stop ganja from burn up. Send requests to the youth then in the ghetto where you come up. X amount of gun it just a bust up and a bust up. But Babylon can't stop ganja from burn up. Done with cocaine it jungle left your brain bung up. Me not care where Babylon and pagan want to sum up. Yes, packet it numb up. Packet it not come up. This a one man, alright me, AK
Some niggas roll it in backwards, niggas roll it in Rizla. But I prefer the frontals, just the split more bigger. It's the natural.
Yes, Rosia.
Through the air. Light it up, them light it on like you just don't care.
So on va se quitter là-dessus. C'est la dernière tune. Alors on va big up tous les gens qui ont regardé ça, tous les gens qui ont écouté ça, tous les gens qui ont téléchargé ça. Parce que oui, ça se passe sur SoundCloud en écoute et en téléchargement gratuit. Ça se passe sur YouTube en vidéo et en audio bien sûr. On va big up au maximum Eurosia, c'était Awax, Eurosia et en spécial guest King Roula. On se retrouve très bientôt pour la 3e édition. On vous big up au maximum. Respect.
Yep, enough respect à Waxon. Eurosia pour l'invitation à Chill Meeting numéro 2. C'était franchement sympa. On a passé un bon moment avec vous aussi qui nous écoutez. Franchement, c'était nice. On a balancé des bêtes de tunes. On s'est fait plaisir. Nos oreilles en ont encore des jouissances auditives, you know. So, à mon avis, tu pourras retrouver à Wax et Eurosia pour un Chill Meeting numéro 3. T'as vu? Donc reste connecté, Massive. Zia.